Hello, Jack Weeks here, welcome to the vlog. We are on our way to the Hoe, and it's obviously Bonfire Night, and I will add a little clip of like me trying to get the footage of the fireworks in the display. I'm with my brother and my sister today. We're just heading over to the Hoe right now.
It spins you upside down.
It's awesome.
No, I don't want the helicopter.
Yes, when you're on top, you're facing down like that.
No, I don't want to go that way. No.
Are you excited for the
fair.
Fireworks?
Yeah, and the fair. Connors, I can go on the ride.
That's pretty cool.
Look at that. Show them that big ride over there.
I don't think you can see it, but over there you see a load of lights, and that's where we're heading to right now.
Connors said we had.
Right. What time is it? Like 7:20 something? 7:20? 7:30? It's 7:30 or something. But I keep on like fireworks are literally going off behind me, in front of me, beside me, and everything. And you can't even see me.
I saw one of them lizard thingies. Snake. It was a yellow one or something. I touched it.
Probably another one there. You're just being pranked. Ah. Anyways, where? Well, your feet are freezing. Oh, I've just got normal shoes on, and it seems to work. My feet aren't that cold. It's actually really warm and nice. Anyways, I can smell really strong smoke because of the fireworks and stuff. Well, nah. Okay, so we're literally by a garage, just walking down, and I don't know. Right, anyway, we're gonna go through the quay, and we're just going to explore through the quay and just walk past, because we tried to get to the gates from the Barbican and it's closed. So we're just by the crossing now. I'm acting very quiet. People are probably asleep around this area, but I wouldn't really say that they are. Can't even hear me. Okay, so we're literally by a Premier Inn.
Your face is yellow. Mine's like green.
Alright. Oh, that really hurts your ears. Okay, so we are now at the quay. Look at all these boats. Nice looking boats. You got some nice looking boats there. I might actually add this as one title. Going to see the fireworks or something like that. Look at that water. I need to take a photo. We kind of missed the fireworks, but I met up with Kyle MDG. Here he is.
Hi.
Kyle Cool 52, his old channel name. Yeah. I actually stumbled on it the other day.
Did you?
Yeah. Alright. Anyway, Kyle.
I'm going to click away.
Alright, see you later. So, I was with Kyle then, just chilling. Anyway, so we're literally just up the road from where I live, and we've kind of missed most. Well, in fact, we did miss the fireworks, but I did get to see some of it, and I got tea as well, so that's pretty cool. I got just some chips from the local chip shop. So, and that pretty much sums up our evening. It's really boring. I didn't really get a chance to, but I will be vlogging again tonight. Look at that, look at the reflection of my mirror on my screen.
Guys, look at these. This is a pizza.
I'm just gonna edit this tonight thinking like literally we haven't even done anything. Yay, Bonfire Night.
Who's buzzing?
Woo! Happy Bonfire Night. It stinks. Whew. Oh, mine's really gone. Ah, I just digged into my skin. This is such a boring vlog, I know. Talk to them yet, Kong Kong? Still got some left.
I don't.
Yay, mine's gone. Bye-bye. Right.
Jumbo one. Where's
Alright,
our other
we're
jumbo
doing-
one?
Oh, that's good, isn't it? He's literally just enlightening
Who's gonna have the jumbo one?
both of us.
Connor's gonna have one because there's only one, I think.
Connor don't think he wants to do this. Right. Pitch black, freezing cold. I'm just sat here, or stood here,
Oh, fudge.
waiting. What? Thank you.
These are colourful ones.
These are the colourful ones.
Not
Oh! I can see the colour in them. I'm not going to put my phone too close because it's going to destroy it. Yeah, that literally does nothing.
Yes, it does. When you turn it, you can see like rainbow.
Oh, yeah?
No!
All I see is green.
These are the colourful
Oh,
ones.
they stink. Oh.
When you go out, drop them. Well, that's a good idea, Jack. You're going to walk with post, huh?
He told me to drop it.
Still got the
Whew. Right.
Are we
Looks like
doing
we've got a couple more as well.
Oh,
There's more, yeah, that.
Yeah.
You want to save some?
don't be careful because of Casper.
Yeah. It's literally two going home at once.
What is?
No, I want that one. No, I don't.
Come on, then.
There's three on mine.
Oh.
Look at mine.
Yay.
What?
Mine just went out when I held it.
Held it.
Held it, whatever.
Woo! Magical. Well, on the camera it looks purple,
Okay, let's go.
but to me it looks like red.
Drop it, Jack.
The fumes ain't really good to be inhaling.
So many.
Oh gosh, I just stepped and just jumped.
I think we're.
It's Halloween.
I can see him.
Halloween? What am I on about?
What?
Right, we've got colourful sparklers.
But
Woo!
they're not really colourful, are they?
It looks pink, this one. This one looks kind of pink. Look at the reflection in my camera.
It's like purple.
It actually stinks. Right. Halloween. No, birthday. No. Birthday.
Bonfire
New Year. Birthday. Halloween. Bonfire Night. Now. Christmas. I will be uploading on Christmas Day, so go check that out. I want to record this when it goes out, because memories! Yay, Connor's having one as well. I hardly show you in the vlog, Connor. There we go. There, it looks purple in my camera. It's really weird. Anyways, goodbye. Oh, careful, it's going to flick at us in a minute.
We're
Look at
at
that.
us if it flicks at us.
Whoa, I just
No,
see
yeah.
sparks going everywhere. So we go. Oh, I hate you.
Don't do
You just
that,
shocked
I'm gonna
us.
cry. I want to do it.
Bang!
You do that for it.
Bang! I hardly include my brother in the vlog. Kennedy, here you go.
Oh.
Bang!
Shut up.
Bang! I don't even know where that came from actually. Oh no. So I can just bang on the window. Now the smell just goes right through the house. So I've just left my little outside and talking to my family and what we've done really. We haven't really done much today. I've tried to make a full vlog for you. I've tried actually recording some of the fireworks, but I didn't get a chance to. But I actually took a couple photos, which I will put in at the end of the video, so go check that out. And I now have to spend probably half an hour to edit this video now. I don't know how long it is, or how it's going to turn out. I'm probably going to have my hand over the mic for the whole video, but who cares. Anyway, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. This is a proper video. This is one of the first proper videos I've ever done. Usually, because I haven't really vlogged outside of the house properly before, like I usually do. Because I filmed going down a street, like a random street, just turned onto it and I stopped recording. And yeah, blabbering on, and then this happened, and yeah, that's it. So, not really much happened today, but I've tried my hardest on what I can show you, what I think is personal content. I'm gonna ask my brother to see if he can give me some of his photos that he took tonight, and I'll probably insert it into the clip later on. I might do a re-upload on this, take this one down and re-upload it. Who knows? Anyways, rather than me blabbering on for this next minute and 2 minutes, whatever, I'm going to see you guys very soon with a new video. Don't forget to smile. Very cringe, I know. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys very soon with a new video. Peace.